You've certainly heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you know oranges offer similar health benefits? Oranges are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, providing numerous health advantages. You've certainly heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you know oranges offer similar health benefits? Regularly eating oranges can significantly improve your well-being. Curious? Keep reading to discover the surprising benefits of eating oranges daily. Oranges help to protect your brain. As we age, cognitive decline becomes a major concern. Memory issues and Alzheimer's can severely impact our quality of life. Fortunately, oranges can help defend against cognitive decline. They are rich in flavonoids, antioxidants that protect the brain. Flavonoids are also found in apples, pears, and grapefruits, so a varied diet can further safeguard your mind as you age. 1. Healthy heart. You may have previously heard that fruit helps to protect your heart, and there is a simple reason for that. The fiber found in fruit helps to improve cardiovascular health, and you guessed it, oranges are full of healthy fiber, with a single orange providing 11% of your daily recommended fiber intake. We don't recommend getting all of your fiber from oranges alone. But if you can eat 4 or 5 servings of fruit a day, oranges or otherwise, you can reduce your chances of heart attack, stroke, and negative cardiovascular effects. 2. Radiant skin. Do you struggle to achieve glowing skin? Join the club. We've tried everything from hydrating more to buying expensive over-the-counter moisturizers. But until recently, we didn't realize that the real secret to healthy, glowing skin was the humble orange. The reason for this is that oranges are filled with vitamin C. And this particular vitamin naturally provides healthier-looking skin while also protecting your complexion against the damaging effects of the sun. If that's not enough, eating oranges will help to keep your skin looking moisturized and younger over time as you age. 3. Hydrated body. Okay, confession time. We know about all of the health benefits that come from keeping our bodies hydrated. However, it's very difficult to drink enough water each day to give our bodies enough sweet hydration. But what if chugging glasses of water wasn't the only way to achieve this goal? Oranges are nearly 90% fluid, so drinking them is a natural way of providing your body with the hydration it needs. As a bonus, oranges also help replenish electrolytes, so you have a powerful incentive to munch on one of these after you complete a dehydrating workout. 4. Eyes. Many people need reading glasses or prescription lenses as they age due to increased risk of age-related macular degeneration after 65. Oranges can help fight this degeneration. The flavonoid antioxidants in oranges significantly lower the risk of macular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss or blindness. Adding oranges to your diet is a simple way to protect your eyes. 5. Less anxiety. People are more anxious these days, partly due to harmful free radicals. These can damage both physical and mental health. Luckily, consuming at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily, from oranges or other sources, can help protect your mental health. While professional help is essential for major issues, adding oranges to your diet is a natural way to reduce anxiety.